Welcome back to another video, everyone. Today we are going down the confectionery route and make panna cotta. While it does sound grand and fancy, it's really not. Nonetheless, if you are craving something sweet and are not lactose intolerant, it's definitely up there. Let me show you how to do it. First things first, get the gelatin hydrated while you are doing other things. Saves you time. Up next, you'll want to juice the lemons. Just roll them with your hand and cut them in half. The rolling will make releasing the juices in the lemon easier while you're squeezing. After the gelatin is hydrated after 8 minutes or so, take it out and set it aside. Next, you will need to put the cream into a pot along with 115 grams of granulated caster sugar. Just remember, I prefer my things to be a little bit sweeter, so I put a little bit more sugar, but if 115 grams sounds too much to you, just put less. When everything is ready to go, put the pot onto heat and watch it. As the cream heats up, add the gelatin and allow it to melt. It will rise quickly, and I mean quickly. Either put it on low/medium heat or watch it like a hawk. Unfortunately, I had the displeasure of cleaning a spill of cream at work. You don't want that, so be careful. Anyhow, when the situation is under control, add in the squeezed lemon juice and about 20 milliliters of vanilla extract. Stir everything in and set it aside and let it cool down. Once the cream starts to get rigid and is lukewarm, you want to pour the cream into a glass. If you want to pop the bubbles in the glass that were formed while pouring, use a blowtorch and use the flame to pop them. The last thing you'll want to do after the bubbles have been popped is put the cups into the fridge for about 2 or 3 hours. To finish, add your favorite sauce, raspberries and mint leaf to garnish. Simple as that. Buon appetito! Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe down below. And if you feel adventurous, throw in a comment. I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.